Huh? Huh? I'm not even pressing it. Who is pressing it? Have you ever heard of a thing called shielding? If you have, congratulations, because apparently Creality haven't. Ah no, that's funny, but it's unfair. They probably just thought they could get away with it with this wire down here, and largely they did, except for this random phantom clicking of the button on the screen. Encoders, because that's what this hardware button is called, they are notoriously bad at sending phantom clicks, and usually you would debounce it in the code. Either way, it happens, and it happens a lot for me on this Ender 3. Luckily, it never seems to actually be able to change the options. It just goes from the menu to the main screen and back repeatedly, just beeping for the whole print, just beeping over and over again, like a deranged smoke alarm, beeping. To stop it should be pretty easy, and if you're totally uninterested in the theory, then skip to the chapter where I fix it. But I'm interested, and I think you will be, so let's look into it a bit. Stepper motors are noisy. I don't mean like audible noise, because yeah, of course they're noisy. I mean electrically noisy. Of course I can just say that and leave it there, can't I? Stepper motors are noisy. Everyone knows that. You don't know that? Wow, you should know that. What does it even mean? Well, I was wondering the same. So this is what they call an SDR dongle. It's a NESDR, or a NESDR. Actually, I think it stands for New Elect Software Defined Radio. And it does exactly that. It allows you to scan and receive across a whole range of frequencies on your PC. So I hooked it up and I put the antenna next to the 3D printer. A really cool aside here, this is FM radio, the analog kind. This is a classical station I listen to a lot because, you know, I like a bit of Chopin now and then, just like anyone else. And this is DAB radio. It looks really cool, even if it sounds awful here in the UK because bandwidth reasons I'm not going to get into. You can see each station, I'm not going to assume that I know what I'm looking at here, but I think each station is a little bump and not much bandwidth for each one, is there? But what do I know? Anyway, I spent a good long time moving the printer's steppers around in Octoprint. This is a cool feature of Octoprint, by the way. If you click on the camera, even if you don't have one hooked up, you can drive it around with the keyboard like a little FPS, but on a print bed. Really awesome. Anyway, I could not find a single band or frequency where the steppers are interfering. Or could I? Watch and see if you can see it. It's interfering everywhere. Oh dear. I found this runs from the low megahertz, around 25 megahertz, up to around 60 megahertz, just below FM bands. Of course, the other thing I didn't really think about was that it's constant while the steppers are activated, not while they're physically moving. So you have to disable the steppers completely to get it to stop. I don't know why I assumed it would be the actual motors rather than the driver's signal, which it would appear to be. So there you go anyway, steppers are noisy. Now you know. And this is what's interfering with your screen. So get your tinfoil hat out and unravel it, we're going to put it to a better use. Sorry, I know it's 2021, I guess you can make another one later. Wrapping this extremely colourful ribbon cable in foil should ought to fix it, but bear in mind the back of the control board is also totally unshielded, so if you still have issues, then I would recommend somehow trying to shield that too, but be careful because it would be pretty easy to short out the connections. See if you could do a better job than I have. It wouldn't be hard, would it really? And there's just time for a quick disclaimer. For extra points, print out one of these things. Link in the description below. You just stick it in and turn it. Oh, sorry, I'm adding the sound effect in editing because I filmed it without sound, as you do. It's quite stiff to get in, but once it's in there, it's rock solid and you can put a cable tie through, so then you can hold your shielded cable in place. Really cool. With that done, you should get no more random beeps. It fixed it completely for me. Oh wait. Nah, just kidding. See you next time. Thank you for watching.